Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the Roblox account. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your device and open the Roblox app. Log into your account if needed. Once you're in the home screen of Roblox, you're ready to begin. Step 2. In the menu, locate the bottom of the screen. You'll see several icons that represent different sections like Home, Games, Avatar, Chat, and more. What we're looking for is the 3 dots icon labeled More and tap on them. Step 3. Now, scroll down slowly through the menu to locate the Logout option. It may be closer to the bottom, so don't miss it. Once you see it, tap on it. Step 4. Finally, are you sure you want to log out? This is just a safety step to make sure you don't tap it by accident. If you are ready to log out, then tap the Log Out option again. You'll be automatically logged out of your Roblox account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.